Hello, welcome. We are going to do an unboxing from ArtandSoul today. I thought I was done with my videos today, but I got Cafe Paris. So I'm really excited to do this unboxing. I don't even think it's been 3 weeks yet, so I'm very surprised it came already. It's by HannahLynn with the contributing colorist Coburn. And it's 65 by 88 centimeters, and I chose square. This is actually the biggest box I've gotten. It is a lot thicker than the other boxes. Here, I can get one to see for comparison. This is one of my other ones. A long one. This is actually longer than this one. This is actually Wicked Witch. I'll do a video for it later, but it's bigger that way and longer, thicker. Very big box. Okay. A little beat up, but sure everything's all good. I got their website on one side, and it says "Let Yourself Shine" on the other. Alright, let's get into it. Comes in this bubble wrap. Looks like we taped two together, so that wasn't big enough. Okay, that is the inventory sheet and plastic wrap again. Take it out. Inventory sheet. There's 71 total bags, 62 colors, 6 bags of 310, 2 bags of 550, 3 bags of 995, 2 bags of 3846, and the rest is 1 bag. And square resin drills. Again, 3 ABs and 3 sawdust. And they actually have here HannahLynn, the artist, and the contributing colorist Coburn on here. Okay. Oh boy, this one is so big. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Here's the sticker sheet. These are pre-cut. They are pretty long though, so if you get up into jars or whatever, you might have to trim them. I just stick them on the bags. The bags do come, the drills come in these zip bags and already numbered in numerical order. So I just stick mine on there. I don't have to fight all the static. Putting them in jars. This side is also a sticker sheet, but it is not pre-cut, so you have to cut it if you want to use it for your log books or whatever. Got the toolkit here. Got a tray, bags, pen grip, multi-placer, tweezers if you got square, and look at that, they have their name on it now. Pretty purple tweezers, and a thing of wax. Okay. And Try to flatten this a bit. Alright. Oh, look how big that is. I can't even fit it on this table. But she is so pretty. Been to Paris with my husband. It was a really cool trip. Really nice. So I love this one. Can't wait to do it. This is gonna take forever. All right. Get into the special drills. So it looks like they're actually over here behind all this 310. Three ABs. Three. Oops, 1, 2, 3. I'm kind of surprised that there's not. Doesn't feel like a lot of special drills for the size of this canvas. Alright, we'll start with 58. This green AB. 58. 58. It's the music note. Okay. Let's try to make sure I get all this in here. So it is up here in this bush, and then it's here and here. It's in both of her eyes and a little bit up here, I guess her eyeshadow, and then some here in this bush. It's all throughout these bushes, around her scarf, and down here, and here on the bushes. And there's a few right here. Some in these flowers. That looks like it's it. Okay. 57 is this orange AB. And it's the swirly at symbol. Okay, let's see. Oh. So it looks like it's in this overhang right here at the cafe. Oh wait. Let's see. So there are two symbols that are very, very similar. So, and both of those symbols are in this, but so there is some of the ABs in here, but that one looks the same. 16. That one's the AB. Okay. It's a little swirlier. I guess the other one more looks like a backwards G. I think that's the only place. It's the only one I see. Oh wait. No, that's the other one. Oh, okay. And we'll do the last AB. This is a pretty big bag. Blue AB. And the symbol is going to be this little like plus type sign. I see some right here and some here. some right here and here, over here, and then it looks like in the blue right here, and this. There. Okay, there. Oh, try to get this up here. There is a lot in the table. There's 2 pieces here, and then there is a lot around here. All of this, and then all of these, that, and that. So a lot in the table. And then the pots, a little bit in the background, and the overhang for the cafe. Okay, on the 60, this is a soul dust, also known as pixie dust or sparkle dust or fairy dust. Art and Soul calls theirs soul dust. 60 is E. So it's over here, in this strip right here, and up here in this building. Oh, more on this side right here and right here. And that looks like it. Okay, 61 is a green soul dust. 61. And it's the symbol for diamonds. Let's see. So there's some here, some here and here, some right here, and some here in her, and that, and back here, and there is some in her eyes. So that looks like it's mostly in her scarf, bandana thing, and back here in some of the plants in her eyes. Okay, and the last one, this is blue soul dust. 62, and it's the Wi-Fi symbol. So there's not much of it, so let's start down here. Oh, looks like it's just back here and right here and here. That's all I see. That's an arrow. It's more of the AB up here. I'm not sure if I said that. Well, looks like it's it. And I was so excited to do this. I forgot to talk about the canvas, but there is, they have their logo at the top, and they have a legend on both sides with the picture over here and over here. And then let's try to get all the way down. And there's a logo here, and then they have their website and email right here. They also have a Facebook page and group you can join and see their upcoming releases interact with other diamond painters and the artists. So some of the artists do interact as well. And then you have the info here with another picture, and it does include the contributing colorist's name here, which is cool. I can't wait to do this one, but with the holidays and all the holiday paintings, this is very, very large. This will probably take 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how long I can actually work on it. She's so pretty. I can't wait to get more of these. Trying to show the whole thing here. This is squares. It is hand rendered. I hope they come out with some more of these soon that haven't been previously released anywhere. I hope this helps you out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.